today's rapidly changing business environment, effective project management has become more important than ever. Organizations of all sizes and across various industries depend on project management tools to optimize their operations, enhance team collaboration, and ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. Whether working in a traditional office setting or embracing remote and hybrid work models, these tools offer a centralized platform that enables teams to communicate, track progress, and manage resources more efficiently. Hi, I'm Ajita from KnowHow Academy, and I welcome you to this case study on exploring how Uber effectively managed its rapid growth using Monday.com. Today, we'll dive deep into how a powerful project management tool helped Uber navigate the challenges that come with being a fast growing multinational company in the competitive ride hailing industry. In this video, we are going to cover the importance of project management tool, the challenges Uber faced as it expanded, how Monday.com provided a solution, the results Uber achieved by using Monday.com. So let's get started. First up, the importance of project management tool. As businesses grew, particularly those operating in multiple regions and offering a variety of services, the need for an efficient project management tools become crucial. A tool that can help centralize communication, track progress, assign tasks, and ensure everything stays on schedule. Project management platforms like Monday.com allows teams to collaborate easily regardless of their physical location. These tools are designed to manage workflows, allocate resources effectively, and provide real-time insights into progress. For fast-growing companies, these capabilities can make all the difference in maintaining productivity and avoiding costly miscommunication. Now, we'll discuss the challenges faced by Uber. Uber, the multinational ride hailing company, operates in multiple markets across the globe and needs a robust system for managing different products related to its operations, product development, and customer service. The company's rapid growth presented a challenge in coordinating across different regions, ensuring that key projects were executed on time. So let's see what are the key challenges Uber encountered. First is geographically distributed teams. Uber's expansion meant that its team were spread across different places, each working in different regions. The created difficulties in maintaining real time communication and collaboration, which is crucial for timely decision making and ensuring projects move forward without delay. Number two, managing product development. Uber's product development teams were working on constant updates, new features, and integrations. Managing these efforts while ensuring alignment with the company's overall goals become a major challenge. Number three, coordinating market expansion. As Uber expanded into new markets, it needed to ensure that all market specific projects such as regulatory compliance, local partnerships, and service enhancements were executed on time and aligned with the company's global strategy. Fourth is ensuring customer experience. Uber's customer service and support teams had to handle a growing volume of customer inquiries and feedback while ensuring that service quality remained consistent. This required an efficient system for managing customer service projects alongside operational ones. These challenges highlighted the need for a tool that could centralize project management, improve communication, and ensure timely delivery of tasks across Uber's vast network. Then the solution came Monday.com. Just to give you a practical view, I have created a Uber multi project where I have added three types of project. One is for normal uh, development project, then marketing project, and also a support ticket project where we are dealing with the customer service. So to address these issues, Uber adopted Monday.com, a project management tool known for its flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. Monday.com offers a customizable workflows and dashboards, allowing teams to create personalized board for their specific needs. So, how Monday.com solved Uber challenges? First, centralized project management. Monday.com provided a unified platform where all teams, whether in product development, marketing, or customer service, could work together. As you can see, this is the centralization in your workspace. You can even create a workspace for yourself where you can just add on different projects and your company can see the people related to the project can see it one place. So this is the centralization which Uber worked. Next up is customizable dashboards. One of the standout features of Monday.com is its ability to create customized dashboards. Uber could design dashboards tailored to the needs of each team, from development teams focusing on new features to customer service teams managing support requests. This level of customization helped ensure that everyone could manage their projects in a way that suited their unique requirements. So as you can see, we'll go for portfolio dashboard first. So here we are having two projects which you can track with this. So here we can see the portfolio progress. Then next is portfolio in Gantt view, basically in Gantt chart. As you can see all the timelines and how the project is working. Then we can also check out our resource management. So this is how you can customize it. You can add different widgets from here. You want a chart, you want to add different projects, you can all do it from here. Now number 3, real-time collaboration. With teams spread across various places, real-time collaboration was crucial. Monday.com's feature allowed teams to communicate instantly, share files, and update project status without relying on lengthy email threads. This helped keep everyone on the same page regardless of the time differences or place differences. So as you can see, even if you want, you can just simply go over here, export it to PDF or in other mode, and you can present it to people. Not just that, if I go for any project, then here you can see this is your particular project, and when you just click on options, from here you can start a discussion. So this is the board discussion where you can simply discuss about a particular project and the challenges you are facing, or maybe the things you have done. You can mention particular people, add particular things from your computer, your Google Drive, from this particular app. Anything you want, you can share over here and keep it on in one place. And later, if you want a copy or something, you can update it via email as well for your record. Now, number 4 is task management and deadlines. Monday.com enabled Uber to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress in a visual and organized manner. The use of color-coded timelines and task lists helped prioritize work and ensured that critical projects were completed on schedule. So as you can see, if I close this, so this is your project alpha where you can just click on this and check on the task assigned to you. For now, nothing is assigned. You can check your project dashboard where different task progress, task completion, and separate things are there. Not just that, there are several other views as well. For example, table, chart, Kanban, anything you like, you can just add on to that, and the colorfulness of these timelines help you track each thing very nicely and represent it visually as well. So number 5 is integration with other tools. Uber was able to integrate Monday.com with other tools which already it was using, ensuring easy workflow across platforms. This integration was key in maintaining efficiency and preventing data losses. So if you can see, here is the option of integrate. If you just simply click on it, so here you can see how you can integrate via different templates, automations, connections, and in number of tools also. There's Outlook, then your Gmail, then your Slack and Google Calendar, and many more. You can just go to your integration portions, there are 80 and above. So you can just use these all things and integrate it with your particular project. And also there's one more feature which is of using AI. So if I go to this ticket processing, as I have used it over there, we'll move to this project. And here you can see, for example, I am removing this record, delete. Okay, now I'm adding it again. David Sims. Okay, so here you go. We have now added the name. Then next up is adding a email. For now, I'm adding a random email so that we can just check the functionality, and a request in over here. So as I click on this, here you go. This is the AI that we have integrated with this, and all you can see, as you enter these things, it is already working well, where it has recognized the original language, then translated to English, and then everything is updated over here. So this is how you can just simply do it, where I have put on this AI part in language and translated request. So it is also there in urgency request type category. So everything could be taken from the request given, and it updates your particular data. So now, benefits of using Monday.com. The integration of Monday.com into Uber's operation brought numerous benefits to the company. So let's take a closer look at some of these advantages. First is centralized communication. So one of the main benefits was ability to have all project communication in one place. So this avoided number of emails and reduced the confusions within the team. Number two, improve team collaboration and coordination. With a centralized view of all tasks and timelines, Uber was able to coordinate work across regions more effectively. Different teams, whether marketing or engineering, ensuring a smooth workflow of information and reducing the risk of delays. Number three, customizable for different needs. So Monday.com allowed Uber to tailor its project management setup based on specific needs of each team as well. Number 4, real-time reporting and insights. With real-time reporting, Uber leadership team could monitor the progress of projects across the organization. The ability to spot bottlenecks and address them proactively helped Uber avoid delays and ensure that projects stayed on track. Number 5, which is the most important, is scalability. So as Uber continued to expand into new markets and launch new services, the tool could grow with the company. New teams and projects could easily be added, and the platform could be adapted to meet the evolving needs of the business. Now, let's see the results achieved by Uber. So, by adopting Monday.com, Uber was able to tackle challenges that came with its rapid expansion. So, first is increased efficiency. As everything was centralized, this increased the efficiency across all departments, allowing the company to respond more quickly and to challenges and opportunities. Number 2, better collaboration. Uber's geographically distributed teams were now able to collaborate easily with real-time updates, clear task assignments, and share project boards. Number 3, reduce delays. By having a single platform to track projects, Uber was able to identify potential delays early and take corrective action before they become bigger issues. Number 4, scalability. The platform's flexibility allowed Uber to scale its project management capabilities as companies' needs evolved, ensuring the tool could handle the complexity of the operations. Number 5, enhanced customer experience. As with better coordination and communication, Uber was able to deliver a more consistent and positive experience for its customers, which is crucial in a competitive industry. So, in conclusion, Monday.com played a pivotal role in helping Uber manage its rapid growth by centralizing project management, improving communication, and maintaining workflow. Uber was able to navigate the complexity of global expansion and scale its operations efficiently. The case of Uber shows how powerful project management tool can have a significant impact on companies' ability to handle rapid growth, enhance collaboration, and deliver projects on time. So if you're managing a small team or a large multinational operation, tools like Monday.com can provide the structure and flexibility needed to succeed. So, before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we have learned today. The importance of project management tools for growing business, the challenges Uber faced as it expanded globally, how Monday.com provided a solution for Uber's needs, the benefits Uber gained from Monday.com. Thanks for watching and feel free to share this with your team and save time. If you found this video helpful or have any question, drop them in the comment section. And do check out our YouTube channel KnowHow Academy for more such videos.